Hi, I'm Ruben from Crown Themes, and in this short video tutorial I want to go through our local theme light demo, show you how we've set this up so you can do the same with your store. So we're starting the header group with an announcement bar, a pretty straightforward section with two different announcements, and then the header that has a mega menu with a promotion, the store selector here, and an icon with some links for shipping and delivery options. For more info on how to set up the header of this theme, check out our local theme tutorial where we discuss this in depth. Then in the homepage we have a full screen slideshow that has a large height on desktop, medium height on mobile, and of course for each slide we are using different images on desktop and on mobile devices. We then show our categories with the text columns with images section. This is a slider, a 6 columns slider with nothing fancy, just one image and one title for each category that we're showcasing. Then we have a featured collection, a simple slider, 4 columns on desktop, 2 columns on mobile devices, no custom colors in the card or the section design. Another featured section after this. Then we have text columns with icons. Here we have 5 columns on desktop. We have the border radius set to maximum in order to have these little circles, and then each block features a custom icon and a custom background color to get to this exact look. We're continuing with the promotion cards. We're setting the media aspect ratio to a square. We have 3 columns on desktop. The text styles is how it is here. Then each promotion card has its own image and its own background card design in order to have a rich view that pops out. Then we have scrolling text, a really large scrolling text with an image afterwards, a small image rounded that catches attention. We've added these options for the scrolling text in version 2.6, I think. Then we have another slideshow. Actually, this we've just used this slider show section to show full width large image with extra large text on it, like a call to action. Then we have a featured product, a basic featured product, followed by a media with text overlays. We're setting these to 2 columns, aligning the text to the left bottom corner, and then it's pretty straightforward as each block has its own image and titles, text color. We're hiding the back border colors. Then we have the shop the look section, really simple, straightforward one. Then another rich text in which we're setting the image position to be above the text, and the actual section to be full width. We're also giving it a custom background color to match with the background color of the image that we're using. Always when you have images like this, try to use them in JPEG files with a background color. Don't use PNG, transparent PNG files, because these are really heavy on the page speed. Another feature collection, this time a grid instead of a slider. An image with hotspots, where we have different images, actually really different images in this case, for both the desktop and the mobile versions. Where were we? Okay, we're here. Each hotspot is a text hotspot right? You can have products here as well, but also use this section for descriptive purposes. Then you have some testimonials. 2 testimonials. We're choosing a font family here, crimson text, italic. You could also choose basic, the main typography or basic system font to not increase the page load too much. Then we're showing blog posts, latest articles from the news blog. We're showing the featured image with a short media aspect ratio, and then just aligning the content of the blog posts here. Then we are using the content toggles section to display an events calendar on our web page. We are doing this with basic toggles that have a title. We're writing the event as a title, then the details as a subtitle. We're adding a map icon marker, and then the button label says register, and then of course we have content of each event here. This is a really complex section that you can also add images to play with the dynamic content, so you can use the content toggles for any purposes as we're using it here. Then you have the text columns with images, where we have different background color to make this pop up a bit, with different blocks, each with its own image text. Finishing the homepage with the email sign up. This is has a custom background, a text, and we are removing the top margin to fit right next to the other full width section. And that's it with the homepage. We have the footer. This is pretty basic with text blocks, menu blocks, and then more text blocks. We also have some pop-ups for the newsletter, and we also have a pop-up with a collection. This is a promo pop-up. You can use it for any reason. Let's go to the main product page. This is pretty straightforward. We have a gallery slider. Images are natural. We have the sticky card. Actually it's disabled in this view. In the product page you have price, title, product rating, the pickup availability, which is the compact pickup availability. This one is tied to the pickup availability here, and it's only showing you the availability on the chosen local store. Because a bit down the page we also have the main availability pickup, which is actually the same block, but it's extended and you can play with the block style. Let's go where we were. We have the Nutri-Score here. This is a basic section, predefined one to be a Nutri-Score one, which is related to products, especially at least in Europe. But if you want to use it for different purposes, you definitely can, as all the labels are customizable. We've touched this topic in our 2025 video updates, so you can check that one for more details. Then we have the nutritional information table, which is taking in information written in this rich text area. Each line converts into a line in the nutritional information. And then we also, we don't have any extra information here, but you can add extra information here. Then we have the products list, for which we are using dynamic content, a meta field, to put different products in different places, but you also have the cross-selling products widget available in a block available in this theme, which is tied to Shopify's search and discovery app. Finishing with the sharing option. Then we have the price recommendations and the text columns with images again. Collection pages are again really straightforward. Let's try a larger collection for the preview. We have a collection banner, and then we have a product grid. We're setting the sliders to the filters to appear as a slider list. And then we're having the product grid followed by media with text overlay, which is a one column card that features on auto-playing video with a call to action here. Going to pages one by one, the about page is really simple. We're using rich text to that don't have any images, to just play with certain headings, like it is H2 heading. Now we have some text, and we're using this one with an image on the right, and then doing this play with left side, right side. We are making them full width and removing the top margins, so they are closing to one to each other. Then we have the stores pages, which is basically just the stores map, a section similar to the store selector, but it doesn't do anything. It doesn't affect the functionality of the site in any way. This is just for presentational purposes. Each store has an image. You can add up to 3 images and map coordinates for directions, finishing with the contact form. The FAQ page showcases another usage of the content toggles section, one that is much more simple, and that one that also has a really small contact form on the right, in order to give your customers the chance to contact you if they don't find their answer. We have 2 blogs in the theme, one for recipes, and in which we are I think that we're touching this in the main tutorial, in which we are having this feature of enhancing the product links to open a modal window when they are products, and one for basic news. It's the same thing, but different content, different structure, as you can see here. And that is the light press demo of our local theme, made for large inventories, ideal for local stores, and tailored for the food industry.